My friend challenged me with that he will make chasing Amazon knife for only $800. So let's see how he can do it. But he has already started working. He straightens it. See how it builds. It really looks amazing. Wow, he straightened it out. Oh my god, how did he do it? It looks like it was just taken out of the new packet. Its brand was now. Subscribe to the channel to make it. This is the past video of my channel. If you want to, you can like and give it. It really feels amazing. Wow, this is getting mad. Does that mean he will win $800? But this is an impossible task. What makes it? It looks like a knife cover. Wow, he made it, but how? This is an impossible task. He made it possible. The knife looks amazing. So the video is over. Subscribe the channel to get such challenge videos. Thank you.